What's up, guys? A couple of more videos that I'm about to drop. So with that said, this is the ZZP throttle body spacer install. There's the ZZP throttle body there. I bought it with a whole bunch of other things, so it came in just a big box, but it comes with detailed instructions as usual with color photos. It basically tells you how to do it, but this is an easy, straightforward install. I'm not going to go through the instructions. Basically, you take off your charge pipe. You have 4 10mm bolts, one there and one in each other corner. You unloosen those, you take your throttle body off, and then when you go to install your spacer, it comes with new hardware. There's 4 of these, and it uses an Allen head as opposed to a 10mm socket. I want to say it's a 5. I don't know yet because I haven't went and got it, but when I get there I'll let you know exactly what it is. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and install this and take you along the way, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, so like I said, take off the bolts in each corner. It's a 10 mil, just loosen them up. On my specific application, you have to loosen the worm clamp because I have charge pipes aftermarket. So I'll loosen that up to get my charge pipe off. Alright. Like I said, this is fairly straightforward and simple. Once you get all 4 bolts loose, you just loosen them all the way up and take them out one at a time. Uh-oh, don't lose them like I'm about to do with this one. Oh, that sucked. Anyway, I'm gonna have to find that one. If you don't find it, they have replacement hardware because the new hardware is longer anyway. So I'm not gonna pause the video to find that bolt. I'm gonna just keep pushing forward. Third one out. Before you take the last one out, you might want to disconnect that. Might not have to, but that's just a throttle body sensor. Loosen the last bolt. So anyway, my battery died, so I didn't get to finish recording installing the throttle body spacer, so I'm just going to show you the finished results and we're going to go from there. So basically, after I got all the bolts out, I pulled the throttle body up and out, and then I put the throttle body spacer, as you can see back there behind it. I stuck each new bolt in through the throttle body and the spacer, lined it up with the corresponding holes, and I guess that's the intake. Yep. And then tighten everything down. Of course, I had to take off the charge pipe to do everything, and then once I got everything tightened up and everything, I put the sensor back on, and that was that. Make sure you put in your little plugs, or you can put it accessory drives in, i.e. meth, nitrous, or you know, boost gauge or something, and you're all set. Aside from that, I went on and installed my strut tower brace. And as people were saying in the comments about their strut tire brace, this moves back and forth. There's no way you can tighten it. It's in their design, because if you can see here, it's like a ball and socket type deal. So it's made to move back and forth in ZZP's design. I don't like that, because under aggressive driving, I'm pretty sure that probably moves back and forth and you can hear it. And it also touches the engine brace once it does move back and forth. There's my Mishimoto oil cap. That was pretty cool addition. But as you can see, my engine bay looks fairly stock. If you didn't know what was going on with these engines, you would think it was stock, but right now I have, again, the intake tube, diverter valve from Go Fast Bits, the dual catch can Mishimoto system. I have the oil cap, ZZP brace, ZZP larger throttle body, ZZP throttle body spacer, the Rev 9 charge pipes, hot and cold side, and I have the Mishimoto intercooler, which is under there. So I'm coming along pretty cool, pretty fast. I don't know if I said this is a Mishimoto radiator hose there, or expansion tank hose, and I also have the radiator hoses. I haven't installed those yet. I have the K&N air filter. Like I said, it looks pretty stock, and that's how I want to keep it, sleeper mode. Till next time, I'll see you again in the next video, guys.